Good morning, good morning, good morning, my beauties, lovelies. Oh, I love you guys so much. So, guys, today is Sunday, but it's very, very cold in here and outside. Yeah, it's very cold. I don't know why. Maybe it's I don't know what to tell you guys, but the weather is not good on my side. I want to show you my outfit, guys. I just came in here. I first washed my clothes. Oh my god, someone who had to wash my clothes didn't come, and all my clothes were dirty, so I had to wash them by myself. Yeah, guys. Let me show you the wig I've been working on. This is where we have my favorite oh my god. My hair is so bad. You know what? My hair is a mess. My hair is totally mess. So I want to put on some wig, and it's very cold, and my hair, oh my god, yeah, so cold, very cold. So I want to try something. My battery's running. You guys, I'll show you later. Let me connect my phone to a charger. So guys, I'll see you. Oh, we got the lights. We got. I don't know why. Whenever I start to record myself, I don't know where my English goes. I don't really know. Are you seeing me, guys? Oh. Maybe I should. Hey guys, hey. Look at me. How do I look, guys? How do I look? How do I look? So guys, I've been cleaning those. So guys, I've been cleaning. I have just finished now. But guys, today I'm lazy. I've cleaned this part and this part. So guys, I'm here thinking of what to do. I feel like not working today. I'm totally lazy, guys. I wish you can come on help me. I'm totally lazy. In the morning I had to first wash my clothes, then I came here to work. So now I feel like doing nothing. So guys, let me show you the other wig. I haven't finished that wig. Let me see if I can zoom it. This one, that one. So I wanted to finish this one quick and then I resumed to the other week, but I'm sorry guys, today I didn't go to church. I've been listening to the gospel online. So the gospel, I've been listening to gospel as I was cleaning here, cleaning around Howie store, cleaning around our small business. So guys, time check, it's already 2 and 11 minutes past. 11 minutes. Oh guys, don't forget to click on that notification bell so that it can notify you whenever I post a new video. And please don't forget to subscribe so that you can be the first person to watch my video, guys. Guys, what should I tell you today? What should I tell you, by the way? Look at my hair. How do I look, guys? Tell me. How do I look? By the way, I'm a beautiful lady, I can see it. How do you see, guys? Ooh. So guys, what's new? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping, guys? I welcome you once again to my small business. You can follow me on all our social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, here on YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest. Oh my god, I cannot mention them all here. Okay guys, back on business. Yesterday I worked until 10 at night. Let me show you where I reached on my wig. This is where. Are you guys saying well? Let me first clean the back camera. Let me first clean. Oh. Let me first clean this. So guys, this is where I reached yesterday. So today I'm going to start from here. Yeah, our wig is getting into shape, guys. Our wig is getting to shape. Guys, I can't wait to see how this wig will look. I'm really excited. I can't wait to see how this wig will look. Guys, oh my god. Oh my god. Whenever we finish a new wig, you don't know how excited I can be. I'm always so much excited when we finish a new week, because I see that my dream is coming to reality, guys. I was still telling you guys that one day this time I'll be testifying that once I had a small business like this. One day I'll be testifying when I'm having a big factory week, guys. Things can be, sometimes things can be challenging, but we keep on pushing until we reach where we wanna be. So guys, I'm not going to give up about this. I'm not going to give up. I have to push hard, 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 until I see something. Until, guys, I see something happen. Look at my hair, guys. Look at my hair. Do you guys love my hair? So guys, let me leave you. Enjoy your weekend as I start my day working. As I told you yesterday that I have no break. I work from Monday to Monday, no break. You know, I love you guys. I love you so much. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.